visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this reading is a general reading, so pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo ang buong reading na ito, pwedeng konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know na ito po ay timeless reading, ha? It doesn't matter kung a year ago na na-post ko to, or kanina lang, no? Whenever you find a video, the message is also meant to find you. Believe in the synchronicities. Let's start with the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Death card. Parang meron dito nagpapakool yung demeanor niya, no? What I'm trying to say here is may separation pero ayaw niya ipahalata na gusto niya pang makipagbalikan. So either pag tinatanong siya, parang okay lang, lumayo siya, nagkahiwalay kami, iniwan ko siya, iniwan niya ako, whatever it is. This might be pwede natin sabihin defense mechanism na ginagawa nitong person ito for the sake of, sabihin natin na ayoko kasi na maging mushy, no? Ayoko maging emotional, pero deep inside, kung bibigyan ako ng pagkakataon, magtatagpo kami uli, no? Magkakaroon kami ng conversation, I am ready to give this person a chance, or I am ready to ask for, I'm ready to apologize and ask for forgiveness. The Eight of Swords is clarified by the Six of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. So siguro parang tinatago pa niya kasi I'm seeing a lot of pentacles in here. Either may utang, no? Either kung siya yung nangutang, parang sinasabi niya sa sarili niya na I'm not ready kasi wala pa akong pambayad. Or kung siya naman yung inutangan, hinahayaan ko na, no? I just don't want to have a connection with the person anymore. Yun yung sinasabi. Pero deep inside, gusto ko pa, no? Who am I to say no to this person? So, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Fool card, so I'm seeing a lot of, parang feeling ko marami itong ginawa monetary-wise, financial-wise, either sinugal, either nagastos, no, nang hindi inaasahan, nag-invest, natalo, na bankrupt, ginalawang pera. Which I feel like that both of you should have the knowledge of the spending. However, I feel like nilihim niya ito, so nagkaroon ng separation. You found out that this person is spending your money. Money mo rin yun, hindi lang pera niya. Kung baka ito'y iniipon nyo for negosyo, iniipon nyo for vacation, no? Iniipon nyo for some specific reason na makakapagpasaya sa inyong dalawa. Kaso, this person touched that in savings, probably, no? For their own pleasure, no? hindi ka sinama sa plano. Ngayon, um, you found out and nagkahiwalay na kayo. With the Two of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles, talaga may pang victim effect, no? Parang sinasabi niya, bakit ang bilis mo naman akong iniwan para lang sa amount of money? Aba, it's not just about money, no? Parang gusto ko iparinig sa kanya, it's not just about money. This is about trust, no? This is about you keeping a secret with me. Dahil, first place, syempre pera natin yan. Tayong dalawa naghirap dyan. And I feel like may karapatan akong malaman kung saan mo dadalhin ang pera ko. No? Saan mo dadalhin ang pera natin? The mere fact you kept a secret with me, you betrayed my trust. It's not about the money. Pwede rin it's about the money. Pinaghirapan ko yan, no? Pinagputahan ko yan. Kaya wala ka rin karapatan na dalhin yan kung saan-saan. Diba? Mabuti sana kung either kinuha mo lang yung pera mo, pero nadama yun sa akin. So, hindi lang, parang it's a lame reason na sasabihin mo dahil lang sa pera, dahil lang sa papel. No, it's not about that. It's more of the betrayal of trust, no? Nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Let me know. With the Four of Cups, the Tower, and the Six of Cups. Actually, gusto niyang mag-approach. Gusto niya sanang kausapin ka, mag-explain, pero wala pa dito yung pagbabayad eh. Parang gusto niya lang humingi ng tawad at patawarin mo siya, magsama kayo. Then, I think that your person here doon pa lang siya, kikilos, para ayusin itong relationship. Pero kasi sira na yung trust. I don't know what you're gonna do with it. Kasi with the Four of Cups, parang nakakakita ko na medyo ipo-push back mo si person, no? And if I am in that position, if I am in your position, I am going to do the same. Money is money, no? Mukhang pera. With the Four of Cups, let's clarify. Money is money. Trust is trust. Yun lang yun. Kahit anong gawin natin, sabihin natin, naghirap ako doon. With the Page of Wands and the Seven of Cups. I think marami itong gagawin, no? Itong person mo, maraming gagawing mga pautot para ma-win back ka, para mag-explain. But I feel like you're still gonna push this person away dahil hindi sapat lang yung apology. Ibalik mo, they probably can talk about it, no? And I'm going to test your trust, no? I'm going to test your loyalty, parang ganon. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung sino ang nakaka-resonate dito, let me know sa comment section. And kung kayo merong mga tanong, whether personal question ng kaibigan mo, kapamilya mo, pwede nyo akong i-contact, no? Dito sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check now the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Of course, reading mo to, pwedeng lumabas ang sun sign mo, which is yung alam mong zodiac sign mo, or placement ng iyong chart. I am seeing Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, Cancer, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Capricorn, Scorpio is dominant, Aries, Sagittarius. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.